can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. Right now, we're having a big pullback in the cryptocurrency market. Gold is popping to new all-time highs. Gold currently trades around $4,876. Silver has also popped to new all-time highs, but Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency market, has dumped Goblin Town. Bitcoin fell to as low as $89,000. Ethereum fell to as low as $2,900. A lot of chaos in the cryptocurrency market right now. Sentiment has swung back to extreme fear. Are we going to start dumping to Goblin Town? Right now, a lot of influencers are spreading forward. They're talking about how we're going to go deep in the bear market. How low can Bitcoin go? How low can the cryptocurrency market go? While we're seeing huge liquidations, we'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Sentiment right now in the cryptocurrency market is fearful. We saw the cryptocurrency market just a few days ago tilt towards greed. We're excited, we're happy. But right now, with the big dump I've seen over the last 24 hours, sentiment has swung back towards extreme fear. Currently, there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Yesterday, there was fear. Last week, sentiment was neutral. Right now, a lot of market participants are scared. If you go on a weekly time frame, a lot of these altcoins are down bad. Remember, we're in one of the most volatile markets in the world. So this is normal. Altcoins dumping to Goblin Town. Altcoins pumping the next week up. On the monthly time frame, we're still in the good graces. There's still a lot of green bubbles on the monthly time frame. But over the last 1 week, a lot of altcoins gave back most of the gains they made. In the last 24 hours, we saw huge liquidations. A lot of market participants were positioned for the cryptocurrency market to pump to higher prices. But what happened was a big dump to Goblin Town that caught them off guard. Even though we're still going to head back to greed, even though we're still going to head to the cryptocurrency market at some point in time, maybe get to new all-time highs, we need to remember, guys, the journey is not going to be straight. There's going to be a lot of difficulties along the way. We're not going to just pump straight to new all-time highs. Let's look at the charts. Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, gave back some gains. Ethereum was trading for as high as $3,400 just some few days ago. We've seen Ethereum return all those gains, going back to where it was trading on the 1st of January 2026. Ethereum got to above $3,400. Right now, currently trading around $2,998. Ethereum is down 12%, which on the grand scheme of things is nothing crazy. But market participants are very emotional right now. Sentiment is very high. A lot of market participants are scared. So any dump right now, you start hearing talks about bear market. Any pump right now, you start hearing talks about the bull market has resumed. We are going to the moon. My base case still remains. I still believe we can still see Bitcoin and Ethereum make a big move to the upside. For Bitcoin, a move towards $100,000 is expected. For Ethereum, a move towards $4,000, maybe even higher than $4,000 will be expected from Ethereum at some point in time in 2026. The year is just beginning, guys. This was the first month of the year. Expect to see so many swings in action. I still strongly stand by the word that we're still going to see a big dump to Goblin Town in 2026. But I don't believe that time is now. A lot of parallelism have been drawn to what was happening in March of 2022. We saw the cryptocurrency market first dump from new all-time highs, and then we saw the market going sideways for around 60 days before it eventually started dumping to Goblin Town. The market went up for around 60 days. We got back to $48,000, but around the 100-day mark, that's when all things broke loose. Around the 100-day mark, that's when that big drawdown started. So a lot of market participants already making similarities to what was happening in that March of 2022, already postulating we might continue up going sideways, maybe go to $100,000 before we eventually dump to Goblin Town. I'm sure we're going to dump to Goblin Town at some point in time in the future, but guys, we need to see the usual things we see when the market cycle is coming to an end. Historically, we see all coins pumping Historically, we see Bitcoin dominance dumping. Historically, we see the altcoin market outperforming Bitcoin. And yes, we have been seeing that happen. We have seen Bitcoin dominance already slightly start dumping since the 27th of June 2025. I will not be shocked, guys. If in the coming days and the coming weeks, we see that big decline in Bitcoin dominance. That has been my base case scenario. Bitcoin dominance dumping to as low as 50%, with the altcoin market outperforming Bitcoin, with Bitcoin trading around $90,000 right now. A 10% move take us $100,000. A 20% or 30% move, we start seeing us near all-time highs. But the altcoin market, that's where the main gains are made. The altcoin market, that's where you see altcoins moving 20-30% on daily time frames. A lot of these altcoins can move up 100% in 1 week. Very volatile, but this volatility in the altcoin market works in both directions. The mantra is to buy when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. The mantra is to sell when extreme greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. And right now, there's some extreme fear. Rightly so. Market participants are scared. But don't be shocked, guys, if in the coming days and the coming weeks, you see the cryptocurrency market heading towards some greed. As gold gets to new all-time highs, total crypto market cap is struggling around the $3 trillion level. Gold and silver has been raging. Silver right now currently trades at $94. Silver just some few months ago was trading around $45. We have seen silver giving us a 100% move in the last 85 days. For gold, also pumping to new all-time highs. Gold is quickly approaching that $5,000 level. Just since October, gold has gone from $3,900. Right now, it's currently trading around $4,800. Around a 24% move to the upside. There's a lot of theories going around the cryptocurrency market that when metals stop pumping, we'll see the money flow into the cryptocurrency market. Guys, never want to say never. The market is the most ultimate thing. You look at the stock market, we saw a big pullback yesterday. That might just mean something. If you look at the S&P, we saw a pullback. We look at the Nasdaq, we saw a pullback. We look at the Russell, we also saw a pullback over the last 24 hours. I still believe, guys, that before we dump, we're going to pump. There's only two ways the market can go. It's either we're going to the moon or we're dumping to Goblin Town. So if we're coming to Goblin Town right now, where we're going to head to next, I believe, is the moon. And that important thing that's happened over the last 24 hours, guys, is the liquidation in the cryptocurrency market. Over the weekend, we saw little liquidation, but over the last 24 hours, we have seen more than 184,000 traders getting liquidated. The highest liquidation is coming around $1 billion. The largest single liquidation order happened on Bitget. A trader lost $13.52 million betting on the price of Bitcoin. As I always say, guys, be careful out there, guys. Only 3 ways a smart person can go broke: leverage, liquors, and ladies. It will be wise for you to avoid those 3 things if you want to play the long game in the market, if you want to eventually win at some point in time in the nearest future. The meme coin market is also taking a beating. Just Pepe, meme coin, Poco Penguin, and Bong are still positive over the last 30 days. Double-digit losses across the board. Over the last 7 days in the meme coin market, Pepe is down 24%, Shiba Inu is down 10%, official Donald Trump is down 13%. In the coming days and the coming weeks, expect to see big pumps in the altcoin market. You never want to say never with these altcoins. Altcoins can go parabolic. The meme coin market historically has given us that last pump before we all dumped Goblin Town. So that's one indicator I'm looking out for. I'm looking out for what the meme coin market is doing. When the meme coin market is pumping, you want to keep your eyes open, because after the meme coin market pump, then we head down to Goblin Town. The top 10 cryptocurrency market capitalization still remains the same. Bitcoin is still the king of the market. Cardano, ADA, Tron, Solana, XRP, BNB, Ethereum, and Bitcoin makes up the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. If you look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency markets, Bitcoin surged social chatter slumps in 2025 despite record prices. We saw Bitcoin search volume on the internet, on Google, actually reduce. A lot of market participants believe that retail investors are not coming back. They have not been back since 2024. And Google search is actually confirming that, as few people were searching for Bitcoin and crypto in 2025. $1.8 billion liquidated in 48 hours as Bitcoin wipes out 2026 gains. The last 2 days have seen big liquidations in the cryptocurrency market. Hopefully, that liquidation comes to an end. Hopefully, we start heading back to new all-time highs. Crypto to reach 50% of Fortune 500 in 2026. That's what Ripple president had to say. Trump media moves closer to Novel shareholding. Token airdrop. Smart money loaded $3.2 billion in Bitcoin over the last 9 days. Smart money is buying, dumb money is selling. Who will always win? Smart money always wins. Crypto market crash deepens as investors digest Trump tariff threats. That's another thing that's been shocking the market. Trump is trying to buy Greenland, he's trying to impose tariffs on Europe, yada yada yada, and that's actually affecting the market. But don't forget the backdrop, guys. Stocks at an all-time high, metals at an all-time high. It's only the cryptocurrency market that is actually kind of suffering. Bitcoin enters Delaware live retirement annuity portfolio. Fund strat sees painful start to 2026 before late year rebound. New Bitcoin will be same Bitcoin price to $85,000. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. We're seeing the news get very, very bearish over the last 48 hours as big liquidations happening in the cryptocurrency market. More than $1.8 billion have been liquidated from traders over the last 48 hours. Are you very, very bearish right now? Do you believe the game is over? Is that all the pump we're going to see in January? We only pumped for around 7 to 8 days, starting the year on a very brighter note. Anytime we're dumping to Goblin Town, it feels like we're going to zero. Anytime we're pumping to the moon, it feels like we're going up forever. So which one do you believe is happening next? Where are you positioned? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.